Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit players in franchise mode in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. So once you open your franchise, go to Manage Roster tab and select the option Roster. Right here, you'll able to see your roster, and also if you wanna change the team, you can hold down L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox. Simply choose the team which has players you wanna edit. I'm going with, I guess, Packers. Right here you can also sort the players by position by hitting R2 on PlayStation or RT on Xbox. Let's go for quarterback. I want to edit this player, so I can simply select this player. Here we have the option edit player. Select that, and now you can simply change the first name of this player, last name. You can also change the position, jersey number, handedness, college, and even age of the player. Then you can go to persona. You can make changes here as well. You can change the style, even you can change the rating of the player. Then you can go to contract and you'll able to change the contract length. You can increase or decrease the salary, signing bonus. Next we can go to apparel and we can edit gear here. Like here we'll get couple of options including headgear, torso, arms, lower body, and feet. Like you have all the same options we had last year. Then the next thing you can do is to change the appearance of the player. Like in case if you want to change the head, this is the option for you. Like you will get several choices, whichever head you would like to choose for your player. You can simply select that like this. Then you can go to physics and you'll able to change the height and weight of the player. And to save the changes, you just have to hit the back button. Again hit the back button and select the option save changes. And yeah guys, that's all there is to it. As you can see, the player is successfully edited, and that's the process you need to follow to edit players in franchise mode in Madden 27. Hope this video helped out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.